Master affiliate marketing now. Have you ever dreamed of financial freedom? Imagine waking up to passive income flowing in while you sleep. Sounds amazing, right? But are you stuck in a rut, overwhelmed with information and unsure where to start? You're not alone. Many people feel lost in the digital jungle of affiliate marketing. The problem is, the internet is flooded with misinformation. You see countless gurus promising quick riches, but the reality is often far from it. You might have tried courses that didn't deliver, or you simply don't know how to turn your passion into profit. This confusion can be disheartening and keeps many aspiring marketers on the sidelines. But what if there was a clear, step-by-step guide designed for beginners? Introducing Affilorama. This platform has helped thousands of people just like you break through the noise and finally understand affiliate marketing. With structured lessons, real-world examples, and ongoing support, it's time to turn your dreams into reality. Don't just take our word for it. Listen to real success stories from our members who started with zero experience and are now thriving. They've transformed their lives and built successful online businesses. Their stories are proof that with the right guidance, anyone can succeed in affiliate marketing. Now imagine this. You could be one of those success stories. But time is of the essence. The digital marketing landscape is constantly changing, and the sooner you start, the better your chances of success. Don't let another day slip by while others build their empires. The opportunity is right in front of you. So, let's recap. Affilorama provides you with the tools, knowledge, and community support to master affiliate marketing. You'll learn the secrets that successful marketers use, and you'll have a roadmap to achieve your financial goals. Why wait? Your journey to success can start today. Join us now and take the first step toward your future. Click the link below to get started with Affilorama today. Don't miss out on this chance to transform your life. You have the power to change your financial destiny. Let's do this together. Master affiliate marketing now.